Hello everyone, the sun is coming out here in Georgia and I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I'm working on in my yard. I am so excited to get this yard that was so neglected ready for a beautiful transformation. I have bought a lot of plants that I'm going to show you, and we have been working hard on clearing out all the debris and the overgrowth that was in here. So let me show you what things are looking like. So over there we have a lot of trees, the myrtles that we have been trying to trim down. They were completely overgrown, super tall and leggy. And that's when a myrtle has been kind of let go. And also they were planted by the previous owners way too close together. So crepe myrtles should have more room for growing, and this is just choking them. So I'm going to work on trimming those, and look how much work that is. We've got a compost bin over there. We've got some invasive plants over there that I need to take out. We've got a lot of, here's a famous Georgia red clay, so I'm learning to work with that compared to the Florida sand. We've got a lot of little rocks that have come up, and I'm going to use those to just really decorate and create some pathways. So here are some of the plants. These are some plants I had from last year that I saved over the harsh winter. And here's some little plants that I've picked up. They're gonna grow beautifully. Most of them are blooming plants. And one thing that I love is that I can grow hydrangeas in Georgia. That's my favorite flower, and I couldn't grow them in Florida. It was just too hot. So this is a snowball bush. It's going to grow magically. I cannot wait to see that beauty just come up. And here is another hydrangea. I bought quite a few hydrangeas. This is a pufferfish, and it grows with a little like poof on the top. So gorgeous. And look at the little baby sprouts. I'm so excited about that. This is a creeping Jenny, and it took a little hit inside over the winter, but it's coming back beautifully, and that's gonna look very, very magical here too, because the theme here is going to be whimsical garden, and creeping Jenny is perfect for that look. Here's another hydrangea, and let me show you guys. This is called Firelight. Look at this gorgeous, I can't wait to see it bloom and show you, because this is going to bloom in pomegranate color and also pink. Like, it'll go through different phases. And then over here, this hydrangea is called Bobo, and it will grow white, and then it will also, as it ages, it will turn like a soft pink. And I have got, I'm so excited, a climbing rose, which is like a blush color, and I'm going to get an arbor or a garden arch for it, and it's gonna like lead into a pathway in the garden. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. This is a geranium that I had from before. I love geraniums. We had them growing up in Costa Rica a lot, and some marigolds will help with like pests and other things that try to get your edibles in the garden. And then I have all these little decorative perennials, my beautiful shamrock plant that I'm bringing back to life. And this I had last year too. It's getting a beautiful color, and I love how it droops. Here's some strawberries from my kids that we protected over the winter. And there's another hydrangea there. Oh, I already showed you that one. Okay, we went and got some dirt and compost blend. Oh, we have our lovely bird, Peter, here, that attracts gorgeous birds all day long. Let me show you here. This is all, we're ripping all that out. We're cleaning this out. Let me give you a little glimpse of the trees up here. Their leaves are coming back, beautiful tall trees. But I'm clearing out in the backyard trees too, because I need to have some room for the sun. And these are all the little edibles that we have planted. We've got little seedlings coming up. I'm so excited about this. We've got my son helped me label them, and this is a cauliflower. What else is coming up here? We've got cabbage. So cute. Oh my gosh, they're all starting to come up. We've got lettuces and broccoli, and we've got, what else? Look at these little early broccolis coming in. Yummy. And then we're going to create decorative beds back here. I've already started planting some plants, but obviously we're going to do a whole bunch more. We put these in last night, and I've got this super cute little birdhouse with moss that we're going to put little flowers in, and I'm going to put planters all along the fence with beautiful draping blooms. See, we've been taking out plants here, just a lot of overgrowth here that we've been working on for months. We're going to keep the little palm tree. I can't believe a palm tree grows in Atlanta. And excuse the overhead airplane noise. And we put this together, and I love it so much. I'm going to get pavers to put it over there in the bed, but this is going to have all my herbs. And then I'm going to do 2 big raised beds for the rest of the food. I already planted a hydrangea over here. I think it's called Dragon Baby. I can't remember it, but it was a really pretty color, like a pink color, or I forgot. It was a white. Was it a white? And see, this is an example of how the overgrowth was before. And so that is going bye-bye, and all that overgrowing ivy. Yep. So guys, stay tuned, follow along, and subscribe as we transform our backyard. See you soon.